Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough soft pretzels. So let's get started. So if you've seen my sourdough starter video, you'll know that you end up with a lot of discard, and this recipe will use it so you don't have to discard it. So I'm choosing to use a stand mixer to make the dough. If you don't have one, you can just mix and knead the dough by hand. So into the bowl, add in the warm milk, the sourdough discard, flour, brown sugar, melted butter, and yeast, and mix the ingredients until they're combined. Add in the salt, and mix it until it's combined. Then knead it for another 5 to 8 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Then lightly grease the bowl, place the dough inside, and turn it over to coat the dough in the oil. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rise for about 45 minutes to an hour. It's okay if it doesn't double in size. When it's nearly ready, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. When the dough is ready, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface. Fold the dough a few times to redistribute the air. Then cut it into 8 to 10 pieces. To make sure they're the same size, I'm using a scale, and make each of them 2.5 ounces. Then take each piece and roll it until it's about 18 inches long. Then take each end and twist them together twice, and bring them down and stick it to the bottom. Then repeat the process for the rest of the dough. Then place each of the pretzels onto 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Then mix together the brown sugar and water in a small bowl, and brush it over the top of each of the pretzels. Then bake them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until they turn a light golden brown color. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for about 5 minutes. Then brush them with melted butter and sprinkle them with coarse salt or cinnamon and sugar. And they're best served while they're still warm. And that's how to make sourdough soft pretzels. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.